The trend of choppier markets continued last week. We've been arguing what was the anomaly, though, was the steady, nearly uninterrupted gains from July through October. And we even found that Q3 ranked as one of the mildest quarters for the S&P 500 on record. So last week's drawdowns were significant, and we are paying close attention to the latest developments. But still, we see some choppiness as something of a return to normal volatility in the equity market. The government released the official economic data that were postponed throughout the government shutdown last week, giving us a look at job growth and unemployment for September. The report did little to clarify the employment outlook. If anything, it might have complicated it by reporting over 100,000 new jobs that month, but also a move higher in the unemployment rate to 4.44%. This week, the government will continue to release economic reports that were postponed by the shutdown. On Tuesday, we will see reports on producer prices and retail sales, both for September. So these will likely be seen as stale on arrival, but markets will take note of any surprises. Something we learned last week from the postponed data is that the number of people receiving weekly jobless benefits has moved up substantially over the last several weeks to the highest level since 2021. So with the labor market now under the microscope, but with no more official data on new job growth or unemployment coming until December 16th, after the Fed's next rate-setting meeting, this weekly series on jobless claims will probably see quite a bit of market attention. With the economic data giving no clear signal on whether or not another interest rate cut is warranted at the next Fed meeting, markets are going to have to rely closely on commentary directly from Fed officials this week. Otherwise, that December 10th rate decision could be seen as a live meeting. So things to watch this week: 1, the postponed economic data; 2, continuing jobless claims on Thursday; and 3, commentary from Fed officials. Thank you for the opportunity to bring you our latest views and analysis at the start of each week. We wish you and your families a very happy Thanksgiving.
The views expressed are solely those of the authors and do not necessarily reflect the views of First Citizens Bank and Trust Company or any of its affiliates. This material is for informational purposes only and is not intended to be an offer, recommendation, or solicitation to purchase or sell a specific investment strategy, any security or insurance product, and should not be construed as legal, tax, or accounting advice. Please consult with your legal or tax advisor regarding the particular facts and circumstances of your situation prior to making any financial decision. While we believe that the information presented is from reliable sources, we do not represent, warrant, or guarantee that it is accurate or complete. Many companies referenced in this content are independent third parties and are not affiliated with First Citizens Bank and Trust Company. All third-party trademarks, including logos, trade names, service marks, and icons referenced, remain the property of their respective owners. Your investments in securities and insurance products and services are not insured by the FDIC or any other federal government agency and may lose value. They are not deposits or other obligations of or guaranteed by any bank or bank affiliate and are subject to investment risks, including possible loss of the principal amounts invested. Past performance is no guarantee of future results. Estimates of future performance are based on assumptions that may not be realized. This material is not a solicitation of any offer to buy or sell any security or other financial instrument or to participate in any trading strategy. Diversification does not guarantee a profit or protect against loss in a declining financial market. First Citizens Wealth, FCW, is a marketing brand of First Citizens Bancshares Incorporated, a bank holding company. The following affiliates of First Citizens Bancshares are the entities through which FCW products are offered. Brokerage products and services are offered through First Citizens Investor Services Incorporated, FCIS, a registered broker-dealer, member FINRA, and SIPC. Advisory services are offered through FCIS, First Citizens Asset Management Incorporated, and SVB Wealth LLC, all SEC registered investment advisors. Certain brokerage and advisory products and services may not be available from all investment professionals in all jurisdictions or to all investors. Insurance products and insurance are offered through FCIS, a licensed insurance agency. Banking, lending, trust products and services, and certain insurance products and services are offered by First Citizens Bank and Trust Company, member FDIC, and an equal housing lender and SVB, a division of First Citizens Bank and Trust Company. For more information about FCIS, FCAM, or SVBW and its investment professionals, visit www.firstcitizens.com/wealth/disclosures.